Most people think a Brazilian wax is just about hair removal. But in the world's most elite spas, it's a luxury skincare ritual. Today, I'm revealing the professional secrets to achieving that glass-smooth finish that lasts for weeks. The secret to a painless experience starts 48 hours before. In high-end salons, we never skip the hydration phase. Use a silk texture exfoliant to lift the hair from the root. This prevents the #1 complaint: ingrown hairs. Luxury spas use high-quality hard wax, never soft strips. Notice the lip technique, creating a thicker edge. This allows for a clean, one-pull removal. This protects the skin's delicate moisture barrier. Always apply in the direction of growth, but pull parallel. To maintain that luxury glow, the post-wax ritual is vital. Avoid heat and tight clothing for the next 24 hours. Instead, apply a botanical-based calming oil. This isn't just about soothing, it's about infusing nutrients. When you treat your waxing like a ritual, it's transformative. If you want more elite secrets, subscribe to MTH Health. Let's elevate your self-care routine together.